In a world full of noise, there are those who rise above the ordinary. Meet Prince Hamdan, a content creator on a mission to capture the hearts and soul of his community by dedicating his time, energy and resources to serving his community. My name is Kenny.
Hi, Rahim here.
My name is Dorcas.
And Prince Hamdan is our friend.
And we are regular guests on his podcast, The Not Podcast, where we have conversations aimed at changing the bad narrative of our community. Hamdan is a very hardworking gentleman and creative content creator. The northern part of Ghana, where we come from, has not always been in the good limelight, which has actually affected development in the community. And he chooses to change that narrative through impactful storytelling.
Prince Hamdan's videos have become a voice for the voiceless and a source of inspiration for countless people that see this community as their home. But now, he faces an unforeseen obstacle.
Hey, my name is Prince Hamdan, a video creator based in the northern part of Ghana. I've always believed that storytelling has the power to change lives, and that was exactly what I set out to do. Every time I pressed the record button, I felt like I was giving a voice to those who couldn't speak up. And through all that, I captured the laughter of children and the strengths of our elders, as well as the dreams of the future generation. For 2 years now, that is exactly what I've been doing, telling amazing stories of my community. I started this project because I heard a lot of stereotypes about my community that weren't pleasant to me. And so as a filmmaker, I wanted to do something to change the narrative. I knew video was the best way to do it, so I put all my savings together to buy a good camera and a good drone. And I started a YouTube channel to be able to share these amazing stories of my community with the world.
Prince Hamdan's videos have changed my perspective of our community. He showed us the beauty that often goes unnoticed. His storytelling captures the essence of our strugglings and triumphs, reminding us that we are not alone.
Losing his drone is like losing a piece of our collective voice. We need to support him in getting back on his feet and continue his incredible work. Hi, my name is Shola. I'm the Programming and Operations Manager for Nuku Studio. And
my name is Apia. I'm the Creative Lead, African Prince Hamdan.
He has made amazing videos of some of our amazing festivals and has told stories that sought help for people in our community.
This amazing drone, my trusted companion, my winged storyteller, was the only window the world saw my community through my perspective. It captured the essence of our community like nothing else could. But in a moment of misfortune, it crashed, leaving me grounded. It hasn't been easy since then. I sent it to an engineer thinking it could be repaired.
I was with him when the drone engineer called and told him the drone was not going to be able to work again unless they changed so many parts, which cost way too much, and then he lost hope. It was devastating for him and even me, because that was the only drone he had.
Without my drone, I feel like a painter without a brush, a musician without an instrument. It was a tool that allowed me to tell stories that needed to be heard. Stories of resilience, hope, and unity of my community.
We decided to organize a fundraiser because replacing his drone is a financial burden he simply cannot shoulder alone. His YouTube channel is still not generating any money. But with your help, we can rise above this setback and even put him in a better place than he was before by helping him acquire not just a drone, but also good cameras, lens, and more equipment to continue this journey of impacting us with good storytelling.
That would be amazing. We invite you to join us in supporting Prince Hamdan's mission. Your contribution would not only give him vital tools for his storytelling, but it will also amplify the voices of those who need to be heard.
It will be the best thing ever if we are able to revamp his studio with some more equipment. Together, we can empower Prince Hamdan to create more powerful stories. Stories that will inspire, unite, and change the narratives of the northern regions of Ghana for the better. Thank you. Together, we can make this happen.
Any amount you can afford to contribute is greatly appreciated.
And if for any reason you cannot contribute money, we would appreciate you sharing this with your family and friends.
That will mean a lot to us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tapaya.